This is exhilarating. Let the Stone Wars begin. So hello and welcome to Under YZ. My name is Soham and today we are going to talk about Doctor Stone Season 2 Episode 1. But before that, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to our channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content. With that being said, let's begin the video. Now this first episode was absolutely amazing. I'm a manga reader and I'm caught up with the latest chapter of the series as well. But I'm not going to compare here with the manga because this first episode of season 2 was absolutely amazing in my opinion. Because I think the adaptation here was absolutely spot on, the animation, the music and everything was just perfect here. And talking of music, when the background OST of Stone World and ending hit, that was an absolutely amazing moment in my opinion. I am a really huge fan of this series and I would definitely recommend each and every anime fan to watch this series as well because it is so damn good. And I was really missing this series for such a long time, and even though I've read the manga, but still I'm so happy that the anime is finally back again with season 2, that is Stone Wars. And like I said in the beginning, this is absolutely exhilarating. Now what exactly happens here is that Senku and gang are basically preparing for the Stone War, which is about to happen against the Tsukasa Empire. And this episode is basically like a prelude before they eventually venture into Tsukasa's territory, and in order to do that, there is a lot of preparation that is being done here. Senku and gang are basically making instant ramen and dried food that will provide them with energy in the harsh winters. They are also preparing for some other stuff which will aid them in this particular result. And along with all of that, Gen also makes a very brilliant plan of basically deceiving the people from Tsukasa's empire by making them believe that Lillian is actually alive. Yes, Lillian is none other than the famous American singer and they currently have her audio in possession. So Senku and Gen want to capitalize on this particular thing and they want to make the people from the Tsukasa Empire listen to her song via the cell phone and basically take them in their team as well. As a result, this will be a bloodless war, but things are obviously not going to be that simple, isn't it? But overall, this was a really nice episode in my opinion. The starting part with Gen narrating the entire story of the series so far, that was really great in my opinion. And like I've said before on the channel, Doctor Stone is basically a love letter to humanity. It is a testament to the skills that humanity has acquired for all these years, and Doctor Stone as a series celebrates humanity as a whole. I've already made a video talking about this particular thing. I would highly recommend you all to watch that as well. Now the animation here was not the best thing ever, but it was certainly crisp for the first episode itself because obviously the major fights and everything have not started yet. And along with that, the hilarious gag panels return here and this was absolutely amazing in my opinion. I really love this entire thing. The only aspect of this episode which I kind of didn't like that much was in regards to the OP. I mean, it's not a bad opening as such, it is definitely a great opening, but it doesn't stand a chance in front of the first and second opening. And this is not something which I'm talking about in regards to the nostalgia or something. This song basically has a totally different vibe, and I really don't think that this particular song suits a series which is basically called Stone Wars. But then again, this song might build up on me eventually, but as of the recording of this video, I'm not a very big fan of it. But anyway, these were my quick thoughts on episode 1 of season 2 of Doctor Stone. This was once again exhilarating in my opinion and I'm really happy with the series moving forward. I'm eagerly waiting to see how the future episodes are planned as well. So this is it for today guys, thank you so much for watching. Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below and please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Under YZ and I'll see you soon in the next video.